just arrived at Ljubljana Airport and we are waiting for the bus. It's not yet here. A little cloudy today, but still start off on a new adventure for us. So join us in our trip to Ljubljana. So we're now in the bus, and what we can say is that it's around every 30 minutes, at least for now. We missed the first one, so it was quite a wait. But it is signposted. It looks like it also goes to Bled. So just make sure that it's the direction or the arrow says that it's going to Ljubljana if you're going to Ljubljana. Or if you're going to Bled, that's a good thing to know. It can go to Bled.
And it's €3.30 for 2 adults.
And it's just right outside the airport. Quite easy, quite convenient. We have just arrived into Ljubljana and it is raining, unfortunately. We'll find our way to the hotel, get our bags down, probably have some lunch, and then we'll figure out what we need to do given it's a rainy day.
But we're just setting up.
Hi everybody and welcome to me. Would you like to enjoy the holiday?
Yes.
Hey, Renzo, you said you didn't want to.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Moyo.
Over there on the top.
Here on the steps.
Go. Yes.
Clicks there. Wow! Wow!
Hello everyone, we have just arrived at Hisa Podkradam Apartments. So we'll have a quick look at what this place looks like. Come with me. Here, it's actually a bed. Bit of a cave feel, like an open arch. And we have a cabinet here. Going through the hallway to the main entrance, there is a toilet. Let's open up the lights. Quite a bit of a modern toilet. And shower. And since it's an apartment, you do get a full kitchen with an oven, hob, and equipment. They do have some things to sell here in a mini bar, but you can use the fridge as well. We have a 4-seater dining area and a living room with TV. Hello everyone! So that's it. Quick tour of the apartment. Now we're going to explore the city. Let's have a look.
This is chicken steak. I thought it was gonna be beef, but it's chicken. And look at that. It has cheese, I guess, inside, and ham, like ham and cheese. It might be like what we used to have cordon bleu. But this is popular, I guess, a popular Slovenian dish. You want to try this? It's very hot though. Look at that! Whee! Yes, it does taste like cordon bleu. This is the Slovenian pan.
That is
It
this
has
one.
a mix of different sausages, some potatoes, and spare ribs.
Yep, ribs and 2 sausages.
And 2 sausages, and it just all blends together with the, especially with the sauerkraut. The sourness of the sauerkraut really blends well with the saltiness of the sausages. And I guess they put this all in this pan and bake it in the oven, I'm guessing. It's really good.
We are at the shopping center, City Park, here at Slovenia, because it's a rainy day. We're trying to find the Lego shop. Hopefully, they have Lego stamps. I think this is the only one that's here in Slovenia, but we shall see. Then we're going to try and go for Mini City. So it is a rainy day. Let's see if this is a good indoor alternative for the kids. Let's go! You want to ask them if they have a stamp? Ask them first. You ask them first.
Oh my god, you've been everywhere. You have been everywhere.
Yes.
Right? This.
This. This stamp.
Yes, you're getting a stamp.
I'm gonna give you a flower. So you're missing the flower. So I'm gonna give you the flower. I'm gonna give you the Formula 1. Yeah? Now I'm gonna give you this one.
Yes.
So you're gonna know where you've been. And does anybody have a birthday anytime soon?
Both of them!
Both of them! Wait,
Okay.
no, I have to find the right one.
That
This
one?
is yours. I'll give you the birthday.
Oh, you found it!
A bit of
Ka. So we have just been to the Lego shop here at Ljubljana,
yes.
and they have stamps, which is good, and they have a special event.
They had an Easter egg hunt, well, an Easter Lego hunt. So they were looking for stickers that had letters in them, and then
They have a
had
special
to-
prize.
Yeah, they had to. Once they found all of the 4 letters, guess what the word
Let's
is?
just guess what it is.
Because I just know because we're in that shop.
I know, and then
it's, and once they get it, they
But
get
Mommy,
a
I
prize. They
got
got
stickers
stickers
and
and
Lego.
Lego.
But why would
so let's go to the next part. It's Mini City.
Mini City? Woo!
Let's go in. Francis's customer here. Oh.
Don't close it in my wait. Close it.
Oh, you're in a supermarket.
Close it slowly so it is
Clean up the hair. Where are you going? Oh, car. You want to fix the car? You want to drive the car? Beep beep. Beep beep. Oh, are you building a new car? That's nice. Beep beep. Turn, Ayla, turn.
What did you say? My ankle.
Oh, you fix it.
So we're at Mini City. If you know Kidzania, it's like that, but I guess a little smaller. They have little rooms that have different things that you can explore as a kid to do lots of adult things like adult jobs. So you can be a dentist, you can be a racer, you can be, well,
Or do the laundry.
or do the laundry. And where's Renzo anyway?
He's in the mechanic area.
Okay, so you have that. And I guess you can also do, there's lots of, I think you can do hairdressers here as well as makeup artists. So lots to do. Perfect for Renzo and Isla. We're lucky that Renzo is still pretty much into pretend play and Isla is at that peak of pretend play at the moment. So if it's a rainy day, this is definitely a recommended option for you. Kids can have fun in Mini City and they have a cafe here as well for the parents, so you can have your coffee or tea while the kids play. So just a top tip for you.
Welcome to the Free Bridges!
And Isla, isn't this nice? 3 bridges.
I know. So we're at the Triple Bridge. This is the first time I've seen triple bridge. I guess this is the only one in the world.
Careful, Isla.
It's very scary that Isla might go through.
Okay, let's go then.
Having been a really long day, we started at 3:45 to catch our 6 a.m. flight.
Yes.
We are still on our holiday. And and what did we do today? We had a bit of a rest. We had a good lunch at the apartment restaurant. But we also were able to go to Lego in Ljubljana's shopping center. So we got our stamps and we had a bit of a surprise as well because they also gave us an Easter Lego hunt. So kids enjoyed that. And then we went to Mini City, which the kids also loved. It was like a mini kids zone, Kidzania, where they play pretend. And in fact, Renzo didn't want to leave after an hour.
It's because first day was quite rainy, so indoors that is an option for you.
Yes, and then afterwards we had corn dog, not the healthiest, and we've taken away donuts from Donatel, which is the popular place for donuts. Yeah.
Okay, watch out for day 2.
Okay,
See you
watch out
tomorrow.
for day 2. Yes. So this is where we're staying at Hisa Podrasam, Pradam. It's a really nice apartment and it's also beside the restaurant that serves good food. This is where we had lunch earlier. They have also traditional Slovenian food. So far we're liking it here, but yeah, we'll link in the description the link for this accommodation if you want to consider it.
Come on.